The Manufacturing Academy, which is an apprenticeship preparation program, was designed by employers for employers.
My name is Eric Norwitz. I'm a maintenance technician at Beckwith Kuffel.
Eric went through the program. He is a military veteran. We identified and he showed interest in apprenticeship. We worked with him, we worked with employers to be able to get him placed in an entry-level position, and now Eric is now enrolled in the Industrial Maintenance Apprenticeship Program.
It's become clear that with his military background and the Manufacturing Academy that he picks up the basics really quickly. He set the ground running a lot better than most people.
Eric is a perfect example of individuals that we like to assist in this program, that we can assist in this program. Our hope is that the employer would upskill them through apprenticeship.